Okay, so I just got done watching Succession. I believe everybody should watch it, especially if you're working in corporate. So the premise is that there is a business family, just like Ambani's and Tata's. It's a business conglomerate of media and entertainment. And the founder and the owner of that business, who actually built it from scratch, is in old age and suffering from illnesses. And that, creates a power struggle between the board members along with his 4 children. But here are the 6 lessons that I learned from this series, and wait for the 6th one because it's the most important aspect of parenting. Lesson 1, your struggles are always relative. भाई आप 15-20 हजार की नौकरी के लिए या प्रमोशन के लिए स्ट्रगल कर सकते हो, and that could be the biggest struggle in your life. But there are people, we always believe that wealthy people, they do not have any problems or struggles in their lives, but actually there is a different type of a struggle when you want to acquire a $10 billion company with a hostile takeover, making sure that all board members are with you, and just to survive yourself for next 15 to 20 years. Lesson 2, you have to be ruthless to get to the top, but even more ruthless to stay at the top. You have to be selfish, you have to be self-centered if you really want to get to the top. And you have to make some sacrifices. And it is also lonely at the top because everybody is relying on you, but basically you don't have anybody to rely on. Lesson 3, corporates at a higher level, there's a cutthroat competition and you don't have to mind it. You might think that your organization or company cares about you, but actually they just care about profits and you're just an expendable resource. Lesson 4, you cannot expect sympathy from, people who are at the top, probably 1% of the world, because, capitalist leaders, they are so disconnected from the real world or people or lower people, let's say, who people like us, that, they really don't care. Lesson 5, money can solve all the problems in your lives. No matter what other people say, just don't listen to them. It's all bullshit. If you are rich, you can fix all inconveniences in your life. You can get away with crime as well. You can hire the topmost lawyers in the world to defend you and probably destroy the other person. The last lesson, which is the lesson 6, and it's the most important lesson. Bad parenting can create so many issues in their children, and it can actually grow as they grow older and can make their lives very challenging. And it all stems out of, how you raise your own children. Are you spending time with them? Are you making them feel alone? Are you making them feel useless? And they always feel that they are not good enough. And this guy, who's their father, is so morally corrupt that he will use his own children to find means to his end.